is where pure avocado oil is crafted. फैक्ट्री का सफार, बाहर से अंदर तक मशले, यहाँ प्योर एवोकाडो ऑयल बनता है। ट्रॉली फ्रेश एवोकाडोज लेकर फैक्ट्री पहुंच गया। अब शुरू होता है एक्सट्रैक्शन का प्रोसेस। Fresh avocados arrive for pure oil extraction. Every avocado is washed to perfection.
Only the best avocados are selected.
Pits are removed with modern precision. Avocados are cut to prepare for oil extraction, crushed into rich green mash.
Nothing is wasted.
The mash is gently warmed for oil release. Cold press extracts the purest avocado oil. Filtered for clarity and purity.
Quality is tested at every step.
Oil is separated using advanced centrifuge.
Temperature is controlled to keep nutrients intact.
Multi-stage filtration gives perfect clarity.
Oil is stored safely in airtight tanks.
Color grading ensures premium quality.
Acidity level is tested for health standards.
Natural aroma is carefully checked.
Nutrient levels are analyzed.
Oil must pass all safety tests.
Final approval before bottling.
Viscosity ensures premium quality. Bottles are made in-house for freshness. Cooling ensures bottle strength.
Bottles are sterilized perfectly.
Caps are sealed tight for safety. Each bottle is labeled precisely. Every bottle is digitally tracked. Leak tests ensure zero wastage. Weight accuracy is guaranteed.
Cap tightness is double-checked.
Visual inspection ensures perfection.
Bottles travel to final packing. Bottles travel to final packing. Pure avocado oil is filled carefully. high-quality labels are prepared.
Batch codes ensure traceability.
Boxes are shaped for packaging.
Carefully placed into cartons.
Boxes sealed for dispatch.
Carton weight is verified.
Robots organize pallets for transport.
Pallets wrapped for safety.
Pallets loaded carefully.
Ready for nationwide delivery.
Entire process is digitally controlled.
Hygiene is always top priority.
Safety protocols are followed.
Energy-efficient manufacturing.
Pipes cleaned automatically.
Machines maintained for accuracy.
Slightly.
Authentication scanned safely.
Photos taken for marketing.
Documents finalized.
Shelf life is scientifically tested.
Filters changed regularly.
Sample stored for quality logs. A fully planned production cycle. A dedicated team behind every drop.
Pure avocado oil, ready for the world.
This is where pure avocado oil is crafted.